hate to say it, but girls need to carry something like this on them at all times. I'm not going to turn this on. I don't know if that's allowed on this video, but if you are a college age girl up to a grown woman, especially if you have children, if you are going into public, carrying something like this on your body, in your purse, in your car is recommended, especially if you're not super comfortable using a pew pew. This one's super easy to use. It has the flashlight button here, and then the top is it's turned on, and then you're going to squeeze this trigger. I'll squeeze the trigger, and then I might edit this out if I'm not allowed to put it in, because this one is pretty powerful. Just having this on you will give you peace of mind, knowing when you go into public as a female, especially a young female, having this on you will give you a little bit of peace of mind, knowing you have some sort of protection on you, and that is highly recommended in this day and age. For watching. Before you go, I would appreciate so much if you would hit the like button just to help a girl out, and maybe consider subscribing.